Welcome to Growing Old. Autoflowers say, we're back.
The name you'll hear around, 'cause we're planting seeds in sacred ground. We cultivate with purpose, heart and soul. Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal. In our greenhouse, sunshine streams and glows, watching green leaves sprout in happy rows.
Well, it's kind of cold and rainy here. It's about 60 degrees here on the mountain, and this is our first autoflower. This is Blue Dream from 123 Fat Buds, and we're growing all Fat Buds autos this go round, but she's looking pretty good. Let's take a look at the second one. So here's our second Blue Dream, and I mean, it's not very tall, but you can see it's a little taller than the other one. But if you remember that Gorilla Glue we grew, this is where the best one sat, right here, because I think it gets the best sun. Once the sun gets to start going down, it's in a position where that sun shines right in this little corridor here, and that gets a lot of sun. So that one's growing really, really well. And let's move on to number 3. And here's our third Blue Dream. And I mean, it's turning out really nice. I have to cut these potatoes back like every day just so that I can get the sun to shine through there. But yeah, she's looking really, really good. You see those potatoes over there. But yeah, I got big hopes for these. Now let's look at the ones I'm really interested in. And that'd be the black girls. Now here's the first of our crazy black girls, and she's starting to grow pretty good. I mean, that's how tall she is right there. But I think she's going to be nice. She's up here in the front, get some good light. I'm looking forward to these. I'm hoping these will grow giant like they did over there at Z-Bud's place. And then the last one, same thing, crazy black girls from 123 Fat Buds. And on this one, you can see something's been eating it, and I'm sure that's a grasshoppers. I don't have any Japanese beetles here, but yeah, grasshoppers. So next year, I'm going to get me some praying mantises. My father had praying mantises, I don't know, 60 years ago or 50 years ago, and they kept stuff out of his garden. So I think I'm going to do it. That way, I can get rid of, like, you can hear the cricket. Get rid of the crickets and the grasshoppers, but that's that. And I just want to say thank you to all of our subscribers. Couldn't do it without you. Love your comments. Keep them coming. Thank you. Much love.
Glicker strong and tall, a vibrant harvest waiting just for you. In our